Hey guys, I made a macrame heart coaster. I used this 3/8 of an inch dowel and 3mm macrame cord. I cut 12 cords at 41 inches, 2 cords at 60 inches, and 4 cords at 13 inches. Take one of the 60-inch cords and fold it in half. Place it over the dowel and bring the ends through the loop created, creating a lark's head knot. Repeat this with the other 60-inch cord and the 41-inch cords. The 60-inch cords should be in the middle. Take the 4 middle cords and make a square knot. To do this, make a number 4 with the left cord over the 2 middle cords and under the right. Bring the right cord through the loop created and pull it tight. Then make a backwards 4 with the right cord over the 2 middle cords and under the left. Bring the left cord through the loop created and pull it tight. Leave a gap before creating the square knot. The bigger the space, the longer the fringe around the heart can be. For the second row, make 2 square knots in the middle. The square knots should alternate from the previous row. For the third row, make 3 square knots. For the fourth row, make 4 square knots. Continue doing this until you have a row with 7 square knots. For the 8th row, use a 13-inch cord to make a lark's head knot around the 2 cords on the left end. Then, place a 13-inch cord under the 2 cords on the right end. Bring the ends through the loop created, creating a reverse lark's head knot, also known as a cow hitch knot. Fill in the rest of the row with square knots. For the 9th row, make a row of square knots. For the 10th row, using a 13-inch cord, make another lark's head knot around the 2 cords on the left end. With the last 13-inch cord, add a reverse lark's head knot around the 2 cords on the right end. Fill in the rest of the row with square knots. For the 11th row, add 3 square knots on the left. Then add 3 square knots on the right. For the last row, skip 2 cords from the left and make 2 square knots. Then skip 2 cords from the right and make 2 square knots. This should form an upside down heart. Cut the loop cords in half. With the heart upside down, take the 2 middle cords. Bring the left cord over the cord to the right of it. Use this as your holding cord. Take the now left cord and make double half-inch knots going toward the right. To do this, make a number 4 with the left cord over the holding cord. Bring the end through the loop created and do this twice. Repeat this for half the heart. Next, take the middle cord and bring it over the cord to the left of it. Use this as your holding cord. Take the now right cord and make double half-inch knots going toward the left. To do this, make a backwards 4 with the right cord over the holding cord. Bring the end through the loop created and do this twice. Repeat this for the other half of the heart. With the 2 middle cords, make a double half-inch knot going toward the left. Then trim the cords and comb the ends. And here's how it turned out.